Selection of CIP Cleaning System in craft beer equipment. Contamination on beer equipment is unavoidable, so it needs to be cleaned when in use. Microbial indicators must be controlled within national standards. Below is a description of the CIP equipment used for contamination cleaning. The necessity of cleaning beer equipment. During the production process, dirt deposits on the inner surface of each container and pipe. Dirt particles include oil, dry yeast, hop resin, beer stone, protein, and minerals. They stick to the inner surfaces of equipment and pipes, making them rough and difficult to clean. Provides a breeding ground for bacteria and reduces the effect of fungicides. The purpose of craft beer equipment cleaning. The purpose of CIP equipment is to clean the fouling film and deposited minerals formed by proteins and carbohydrates. Since the biocide can only kill the bacteria on the dirt surface, bacteria that survive inside may also multiply and cause recontamination. Therefore, the entire colony must be cleaned before sterilization. The importance of craft beer equipment cleaning. The development of craft beer is getting faster and faster. The hygiene and sterilization requirements for the brewing process are also becoming more and more stringent. Beer production equipment needs to be cleaned, sterilized, and disinfected to improve the biostability and taste stability of craft beer. CIP equipment. Craft breweries use a lot of CIP equipment, generally equipped with acid tank, lye tank, disinfection tank, sterile water tank, hot water tank, acid tank for storing acidic detergents, removal of inorganic foulants generated in the system, such as calcium, magnesium salts, etc. The lye tank is used to store alkaline cleaners, mostly heated by steam coils and jackets. Heated by heat exchanger, i.e. extracorporeal circulation heating, easy maintenance. Sterile water tank. Water is pretreated by sand filtration, and then sterilized by ultraviolet light. Flushes residual biocide and improves system sterility. The hot water tank can be heated by the same heat exchanger as the alkali tank. Hot water for faster flushing of lye residues for thermal sterilization and pipe circulation. The above is about the knowledge of CIP equipment. You can follow us